Hey, John here at Adventure RV. Look at the new 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini. Just so nice looking. Lightweight, only 22 feet bumper to hitch. You can pull it with an SUV. So many features on this thing. Let's get started. Hopefully I don't sound like I'm rushing through stuff, but there's so much to talk about, and I know people don't like a 20-minute video, so let's get going. Electric tongue jack. Two 20-pound propane tanks that we're going to fill for you. We're going to put a brand new interstate battery right there for you. BAL frame means it is made in the United States. These have huck fasteners. The whole frame is put together with these huck fasteners, and those do not come off. So instead of spot welding here and there like a lot of brands do, they use those huck fasteners. That's how they build semi-truck trailers, so they're super strong. They won't come off like a regular bolt that can unscrew. Look at this storage area. Huge storage door. All that storage area in there. Slam latches, so you can just let her go. Electric stabilizing. You got two motors in front, two in the back, so they're separate. So if you're on uneven ground, no problem. Aluminum steps. There's the big, huge, oversized Goodyear Wrangler tires. They're going to last longer. They come with a 5-year warranty. And the torsion axle right there, it acts like independent suspension in your car. So when that tire hits a bump, that tire moves. It doesn't tip the whole camper. And then there's a propane port right there if you wanted to put a camping grill back here. Oversized, full-size spare tire right there. It's backup camera ready. Comes with a ladder because it's a fully walkable roof. Up there on the roof you have 200-watt solar panel with a 30-amp controller. Hot and cold water shower right here. All LED lights on the outside. It's 30 amp. So you got plenty of power. There's a back pack and play door, they call it. So you could store stuff back here if you're not using the bunks. Flip it up. And then you get all this storage area right here. It locks into position right there. Recessed lights everywhere too. The kids, they got a plug in right there. USB and a USBC charging port. The little light switch. We'll get inside there in a little bit. There's another good look at and those are aluminum rims. They're black, but they are aluminum rims. All sealed all the way around. This has the new slim track design, so it's been very, very good the last couple of years. There's the other side of the storage. Again, it's nice and big. And then the front cap, very aerodynamic. This thing's gonna pull great. JBL audio, and it looks really cool with the white speakers now. And this year, we're starting in with on-demand tankless water heaters. So if you want to jump in the shower and never get out, as long as you got water coming into the camper, you got hot water. Nice big awning. It goes almost the full length of the camper. Awesome. We're going to go in the door right here. It's got the nice white handle too. Everything's just so automotive looking and so modern. So storage door here that goes underneath the bed, which is the same as the outside storage. Now what they changed for 2026 is these are all soft close hinges. You can't see that in the pictures, right? All soft close. So you get it started and it won't slam. They put these lights in too, so the first click they go blue, the second click they go white. So you got a nice reading light, one on each side. Your dinette table right here makes quickly into a bed. You can see it in bed mode in the pictures. You just flip that lever right there, push the table down, goes into a bed. You use the cushions across, throw a couple sleeping bags on there, good to go. You got storage underneath here and here. Again, the recessed lights just look awesome. Scooping around over here is the bunk beds. Of course, I said that one flips up. 250 pounds on top of here. There's your thermostat for the air conditioner. And then you got a little storage spot down here. We're gonna just keep swinging around here, go into the bathroom. There's the mirror there. And then you have another thermostat in there. Ducted air into here. Nice big shower surround. This is your sink for in the bathroom. Little spot there for your shampoo, and then you have a nice big, see if I can remember, 22 by 14 skylight. There it is. And of course the fan right there. So nice big 10.7 cubic foot gas free fridge. So this is all electric 12 volt fridge, no propane. The big advantage of this, it's bigger, 10.7 cubic feet, half the price of a gas electric, and it cools down in a couple hours instead of like the old gas electrics took almost 24 hours to cool down. So 3 really big advantages. Half the price, bigger, cools quicker, can't beat it. So got some nice big drawers here, 2-place cooktop, nice solid countertop, huge stainless steel sink, high-rise faucet, comes with the TV, storage up here, again, soft close. We won't wait for that. You'll see it on this side, see, it just takes its time. Soft close, nice spot right here, another big spot right here. This is new this year. They got the little fork and spoon drawer that comes out. That's pretty slick. A little spot here for your sponges. Looks like some soap got in there already. Look at that, soft close. Let's say you're gonna have taco night, right? So we sell these drying racks, or you can put a cover across there, and you have an extension right there. So like I say, taco night, you can make a nice buffet. So this has a heated and enclosed underbelly with ducted heat and tank heater. So if it gets really cold, you can flip that on. All your tanks you can monitor right there. Your slide in and out, your awning in and out. There's awning lights on there, your entry lights. Everything is right there on the panel. So the bed size, it's queen length, but it's not quite queen width. Still 2 adults can fit there nicely. It's hard to, you kind of see that there. I'll put my leg up, see, and you could put 2 people there, no problem. And then you have a charge port, plug-ins, place for your phone or your glasses or something. They have all these slow rise shades. I mean, just even over here near the table, near the light switch, more charging ports, nice big window. You got a nice big window in the sink area, convection microwave oven. So even though you don't have a regular oven, you could still make a little pizza or cook some stuff in there. Watch a YouTube, they're really slick. So there it is. Plenty spacious, but it's small, light, easy to pull. Like I say, JBL audio. Come and get you one of these Winnebagos. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, give me a call. Give me an email, text. 701-277-1165. Ask for John. Thank you.